Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Umi Kulsum and I am from class 4A. And in this video, I will explain the grammatical errors from Advanced English grammar topic, including conditionals, past models, a subjective, and nominalization and inverted sentence. For each sentence, I will identify the error, provide the incorrection, and explain the grammatical reason behind it. So let's begin. Sentence 1. Error sentence. If the crew would have followed the compass, they would have found the treasure. And mistake. The price would have followed is incorrectly used in the if clause. Correction. If the crew had followed the compass, they would have found the treasure. Explanation. There is a third conditional sentence. The correct pattern is if plus past perfect will have plus past particle, therefore had followed so be used instead of will have followed. Next sentence 2. Error sentence. The treasure should have been found by the crew long ago. Mistake. The verb find is not the past particle form. Correction. The treasure should have been found by the crew long ago. Explanation. After have been in passive structure, we must use the past particle form. The past particle of find is found. Next sentence 3. Error sentence. The captain suggests that the crew should not ignore the exit warnings. And the mistake. The word should is unnecessary informal subjective construction. Correction. The captain suggests that the crew not ignore the action warnings. Explanation. Afterwards, such as suggests, recommend, and insists, English often use the subject form suggests plus that plus subject plus best verb. Therefore, not ignore is perfect. Is perfect. Next sentence 4. Error sentence. Not only the crew ignored the compass, but they also sailed into danger. Mistake. There is not subject auxiliary inversion after not only. Correction. Not only did the crew ignore the compass, but they also sailed into danger. Explanation. When a sentence begins with a negative expression such as not only, inversion is required. Structure not only plus auxiliary but subject plus verb. So we use did the crew ignore. Next sentence 5. Error sentence. The crew's ignore of the compass led to their loss of direction. Mistake. The words ignore and lose are incorrect word forms. Correction. The crew's ignorance of the compass led to their loss of direction. Explanation: this sentence requires nouns because they follow possessive forms. Ignore, ignorance. Lose, loss. The process is called nominalizations. Next sentence 6. Error sentence. If Morgan would know the way, she would lead them to safety. Mistake. Will now cannot be used in the if clause. Correction. If Morgan knew the way, she would lead them to safety. Explanation: this is a second conditional sentence pattern. If plus past simple, will plus past verb, therefore knew is the correct form. So next sentence 7. Error sentence. Morgan must have known the secret, but she chose not to reveal it. Mistake. The model structure is incorrect. Correction. Morgan must have known the secret, but she chose not to reveal it. Explanation: past model structures use model plus have plus past particle, therefore must have known is correct. Next sentence 8. Error sentence. Only after they had survived the storm they realized their mistake. And mistake, there is no inversion after, only after. Correction: only after they had survived the storm did they realize their mistake. Explanation: after explorations begins with only, reversion is required. Structure: only after plus clause plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb, and therefore did they realize is correct. Next sentence 9. Error sentence. Morgan inside that Elias was the one to lead the expedition. Mistake: the subjunctive form is not used. Correction: Morgan inside that Elias be the one to lead the expedition. Explanation: after the verb in sit, formal English use the subjunctive pattern in sit plus that plus subject plus base verb, and therefore be. So be used inside of was. The last sentence 10. Error sentence. Morgan's decide to join the crew was a surprise to everyone. Mistake: the site should be a noun. Correction: Morgan's decision to join the crew was a surprise to everyone. Explanation: the sentence requires a noun after the possessive form. Morgan's. The site verb, decision noun. This is another example of nominalization. So in conclusion, these 10 sentences show several important advanced English grammar topics, including conditional, past model, subjectives, nominalizations, and inverse sentence. By understanding the grammar rules, we can write and speak English more accurately and effectively. So, thank you for watching. I hope the explanation helped you improve your grammar skill. And see you in the next video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.